Tired of people snooping through your apps? Whether it's your personal messages, banking apps, or even Netflix, there's a super simple way to lock any app on your Android phone without downloading anything extra. That's right, you don't need any third-party app from the Play Store. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share a quick trick to make unlocking even faster and more secure. So let's get straight to it. Here's how to lock apps on your Android device for free. Step 1. Grab your Android phone and head straight to the settings. Once you're in settings, tap the search bar at the top and type App Lock. From the results, choose the one that simply says App Lock, usually the second option. Next, your phone will ask you to confirm your password or fingerprint. Once that's done, you're in the App Lock settings. Now here's the fun part. You can lock any app you want. Want to lock Amazon? Done. Your app gallery? Locked. Maybe the Binance app or PayPal for extra security? Easy. Even apps like Netflix, if your kid keeps trying to sneak in to watch cartoons on your profile, you can lock that down too. Once locked, anytime someone tries to open those apps, they'll be met with a security screen asking for your password, PIN, or fingerprint. Simple, effective, and built right into your phone. And that's how to lock applications on Android without installing third-party apps. Easy and totally free. So, which app are you locking first? Your chats, your banking app, or your streaming account? Let me know in the comments. If you found this tip helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more practical Android tricks, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe and smart out there.